Right, let's get cracking. Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making Millionaire Shortbread, Millionaire Shortbread, or is it caramel shortbread? Millionaire Shortbread, I think that's the right way. I've never made it before as one. I've made shortbread before, I've made fudge before, which is similar to the caramelness of it, and then I've melted chocolate before. So essentially, I've made this before, just not as one. So I think it's gonna go all right. Hopefully I am a baking queen. I'm using a BBC Good Food recipe, I think. Let me just check. Oh, where you gone? Okay, BBC Good Food, and it's called Easy Millionaires Shortbread. Ding! This is another phone. I'm recording on a phone. You're currently in a cupboard. I've got my old phone here that I just, you know, it's easier that way because I can't look at a recipe whilst it's recording, can I? No. The first thing we're making is the shortbread. The bottom layer needs to be done first, doesn't it? We need a base, don't we? Then it goes caramel, then the chocolate. Starting first with the butter. Next is the sugar. Now I'm gonna beat this together, or is it cream it together? I think it's the correct wording. Creamed. Now I need to add the flour. This is plain flour. I need to mix this in together. Just gonna prick it. Right, this is it so far. Shortbread Fantastico. That's gonna go in for like 25 to 35 minutes, I think, is what it said. So we're just gonna roll with that. You know what, might just eyeball it. Yeah, golden brown does the job, doesn't it? Fantastico! This is the shortbread just come out. Now I'm gonna move on to the caramel whilst this is cooling. Sugar, butter, condensed milk. Yeah. Wow, this better not. Oh, this is gonna take so long. Christ. This is it brought to the boil. I need to lower it in a second. This is it after continuously stirring on a lower heat for 10 minutes. Gonna turn it off and pour it onto the shortbread now. This is it topped. Got some nice defined layers there. Looks quite delicious already, can't lie. Okay, I'm doing the last step now, which is melting the chocolate to put on top. Mum went out and bought me this because I thought I needed a smaller bowl, because this is the only other size we have. Now that, in my head, was going to be an absolutely fantastic addition to the sets we have here. But this is the smallest saucepan. It's too small. So, sorry about that, Mum. We'll just stick with a large one, but hey ho. I've got 2 bars there. I think they're 100 grams each. Don't know where it tells me. There. 100 grams each, so I need 2 of those. Gonna break them up, put them in the bowl, and then add them to the bain-marie. Okay, I'm looking at this and thinking that's not actually that much chocolate. When it melts down, because it gets like a little amount, doesn't it? Ooh. We'll see. I have 2 more bars that I can always break down. But this is not much. That is melting away lovely. Wow. I'm still convinced I'll need more chocolate, but we'll wait and see. I'll let it fully melt first. Delicious. Wow, look at these layers. Shortbread, caramel, chocolate. Magnifique. I think I did quite good. Taste test. Ooh. Right. Wow. Fantastic. Wife me up now. Beautiful. And with that, I'll finish this video now. Thanks for watching. Give it a go or not. Just pretty tasty, I'm not gonna lie. Cheerio.